Okay, welcome to how to log into Canvas. This is part one of our Canvas pop-up lesson. So there's two ways to log into Canvas. The first way is with the app, and the second way is just using your Chrome or Safari browser. So I'm going to show you with the app. In your self-service app application, you're going to look for Canvas Student. And so if I was on the basic home screen, I can click on search and then start typing in Canvas. So Canvas is a program that is the same as MyMCPS Classroom. And you're going to click on install. I already have mine installed, so it's there. Make sure you do Canvas Student. I'm going to get out of this, and then I'm going to swipe down on my iPad and search for Canvas, which is also, again, the same as MyMCPS Classroom. And again, click on Student. When you first open it up, it's going to ask you to log in. You're going to see this pop up, which is the same as if you were going onto the website. You click on Staff Students, and then you're going to enter in your information. So I'm going to enter that in, and then I'm going to come right back.